Imagine driving your car for 500,000 miles, yes, 500,000, on the same set of wheels. It sounds impossible, but it's absolutely doable. No more surprise breakdowns or huge repair bills. Instead, enjoy peace of mind and a reliable car. Today, I'll share 13 habits trusted by mechanics and car lovers to help your car last a lifetime. The difference between a car that fails early and one that lasts? Simple, consistent habits anyone can master. You don't need fancy tools or a mechanic's degree, just a little time and care. Ready to learn the habits that can make your car a high-mileage legend? Let's get started. If you want your car to last, there's one habit that stands above the rest, one that every car owner should take seriously. Change your oil on time, every time. It's the single most important thing you can do to keep your engine running smoothly and avoid costly repairs down the road. When you skip oil changes, old oil breaks down and turns into thick sludge. This sludge clogs up vital engine parts, suffocates moving components, and can destroy your engine long before it's time. Don't be fooled by the dealership's 10,000-mile oil change claims. Most of us drive in what's called severe conditions, stop-and-go traffic, short trips, extreme temperatures, or dusty roads, all of which are much harder on your oil than you might think. For modern cars using synthetic oil, a good rule of thumb is to change it every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, or at least every 6 months, whichever comes first. Check your owner's manual, but don't push your luck. Think of it as cheap insurance. Spending a little now on oil changes can save you from a $5,000 engine replacement bill later. That's money you'd much rather keep in your pocket. And here's the best part. You can do it yourself for less than $50. With a few basic tools and a little time, you'll save money and gain peace of mind. Don't put it off or get lazy. Change your oil regularly, and your engine will reward you with years of reliable service. Just a few oil changes a year can add years to your car's life, keeping it running strong and dependable for all the journeys ahead. Your car needs quality fuel and clean air to thrive. Cheap gas lacks detergents, leading to carbon buildup and poor performance. Stick to top-tier gasoline and check your air filter at every oil change. Replace dirty filters. They're cheap and easy. Don't forget the fuel filter. Follow your manual schedule. Feed your car right and it'll run smooth for years. Clean fuel and air are the foundation of a healthy engine. Tires are your only connection to the road. Don't ignore them. Every time you drive, your safety, control, and comfort depend on those 4 small patches of rubber. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, your tires are working hard to keep you safe and steady. Yet, they're often overlooked until there's a problem. Taking a few minutes to check on your tires can make all the difference between a smooth ride and a dangerous situation. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles to prevent uneven wear. This simple maintenance step helps your tires last longer and ensures your car handles predictably. Uneven tire wear can lead to poor traction, especially in wet or slippery conditions, and can even affect your car's alignment. By rotating your tires regularly, you're investing in your vehicle's performance and your own safety. Check tire pressure monthly with a digital gauge. Underinflation kills tires and gas mileage. Properly inflated tires help your car grip the road, improve fuel efficiency, and reduce the risk of blowouts. Even a small drop in pressure can make a big difference, so make it a habit to check all 4 tires, including the spare. The correct pressure is on your driver's door jamb, not the tire. The number on the tire is the maximum it can handle, not what's best for your car. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendation for the safest and most comfortable ride. Proper tire care means better safety, fuel economy, and longer-lasting suspension. Well-maintained tires help your brakes work more effectively and reduce wear on your car's suspension system. You'll also save money at the pump and avoid costly repairs down the road. Take care of your tires, and they'll take care of you. Clean them regularly, check for damage, and replace them when the tread gets low. A little attention goes a long way toward keeping you and your passengers safe. Don't let a blowout or worn tread ruin your ride. Stay proactive, and you'll enjoy safer, smoother journeys every time you hit the road. Never ignore your check engine light. It's your car's cry for help. A simple issue can turn into a $2,000 repair if left unchecked. Get the code read with an OBD2 scanner. Less than $100 and easy to use. Look up the code online to understand the problem. Fix small issues before they become big ones. Don't drive blind. Knowledge is power. Address warning lights early and save yourself a fortune. Washing your car isn't just for looks. It prevents rust and protects your investment. Salt, grime, and bird droppings eat away at paint and metal. Wash your car every couple of weeks, especially in winter. Use undercarriage sprays to fight hidden rust. Wax a few times a year for extra protection. Keep the interior clean to preserve value. A clean car lasts longer, inside and out. Engine oil isn't the only fluid that matters. Change your transmission, brake, coolant, and power steering fluids on schedule. Old fluids cause expensive failures. Transmissions, brakes, and cooling systems all depend on fresh fluid. Brake fluid absorbs moisture, risking brake failure. Coolant and power steering fluid break down, leading to rust and pump issues. Check your manual for intervals and stick to them. Preventative fluid changes save you thousands. Don't wait for a dead battery to ruin your day. Check for corrosion on terminals every few months. Clean with baking soda and water. Apply dielectric grease to prevent future buildup. Batteries last 3-5 years. Test them regularly at auto parts stores. Replace before it fails, not after you're stranded. A little maintenance goes a long way. Keep your battery healthy, and your car will always start. How you drive matters as much as maintenance. Aggressive driving, hard acceleration, slamming brakes, wears out parts fast. Be smooth, gentle on the gas, anticipate stops, and brake gradually. Smooth driving reduces stress on your engine, transmission, and suspension. You'll save on gas and repairs. Treat your car with respect, and it'll last longer. Mechanical sympathy pays off. Drive smart, not hard. Your car talks through sounds and feel. Pay attention. Squeaks, clunks, or a bouncy ride means suspension trouble. Ignoring these signs leads to uneven tire wear and dangerous handling. Turn down the radio and listen for new noises. Address issues early to avoid bigger repairs. A quiet, smooth ride means a healthy suspension. Listen, and your car will reward you. Some parts must be replaced on schedule. Don't gamble. Timing belts and spark plugs are critical. If they fail, you risk catastrophic engine damage. Replace timing belts every 60,000 100,000 miles, as your manual says. Worn spark plugs cause misfires and can ruin your catalytic converter. Check your serpentine belt for cracks and replace as needed. Don't wait for a breakdown. Prevent it. Scheduled replacements save you thousands. Stay ahead of failures with proactive maintenance. Give your engine 30 seconds to idle after starting, especially in cold weather. This lets oil circulate and protects vital parts from wear. No need for long warm-ups, just half a minute is enough. Use the time to buckle up or set your music. Daily quick starts add up to long-term engine damage. This tiny habit pays off in engine longevity. Start smart, drive longer. Even DIYers need a pro's inspection once in a while. A mechanic can spot leaks, worn parts, and hidden issues you'll miss. Get a full inspection yearly or every 2 years. Find a trusted independent shop, not just the dealership. Early detection means cheaper fixes. A second set of expert eyes protects your investment. Don't skip the checkup. Your car will thank you. Don't cheap out on parts. Quality matters. Cheap, no-name parts fail early and can cause bigger problems. Stick to OEM or reputable brands like Bosch, Denso, or Gates. Saving a few bucks now can cost you hundreds later. Do the job right the first time with quality parts. Protect your car and your wallet. Invest in reliability, not regret. These 13 habits are your blueprint for a 500,000-mile car. It's not magic, just smart, consistent care. Save thousands, avoid car payments, and keep your ride running strong. Start today. Change fluids, keep it clean, listen, and use common sense. Check the description for my favorite tools: OBD2 scanners, tire gauges, and more. Take control of your car's future and enjoy the journey. Thanks for watching. See you next time.